ko yifuza kutwaganira no munsi ndetse ambira na topic utekereza ijyanye na networking. So iyo aza kubwira ati bitemo topic zari kunyerera cyane ari gufata wenda muzo usanzwe ntaga cyangwa sizo menyereye ariko it has been a challenge for me also to understand it first. Ariko iyo utemeye n'ikigano cyumva neza nawe gikunda cyane. So we are going to talk about networking. Nateguye na few slides kuko nshaka cyane kutuzabwira umwanya waje wo kuganira cyangwa se kubaza ibibazo n'ibisubizo. Izo slides just to set the stage kugira ngo niba tubone aho duhera tuza kubaza ibibazo ndetse tunatanga n'ibisobanuro bitandukanye. Kimwe none ndabanza nshimire initiative mu mashuri gikomeye cyane. Twese twanyuze mu ishuri abari muri primaire ukazamuka muri secondaire, bamwe bari n'abaririmba mu makorali ariko mu by'ukuri iyo mwabonaga umuntu uvuye muri bakuru banyu ugaruka kubabwiriza nabo mwumvaga hari ikindi kintu cyiyongereyeho cyane. So ndabizi I know what it means. So kuba rero mubitekereza mukaja kubabwiriza nanjye ndasubirayo nkajya kubwiriza aho nigisha n'ubundi ugasanga hari icyo bitanga. Afashe mu mugambi ndetse n'umutwaro Imana ikomeza ibaha imbaraga zo kubikora. Ibisobanuro bampaga ni uko haba hariho umuyoboro runaka rero dukeneye kuvomamo internet noneho ukayiriza muri no computer, ushobora no kuyisharinga n'iyi computer, ushobora no kuyisharinga n'iyi. So mu kanya mugenzi wanyu ibyo yakoraga yarimo asharinga internet ntekereza ko ari yiwe ayisharinga no kuri iPad yanjye kugira ngo nshobore kuba nabona access kuri internet hanyuma mwereze document abone kuyidownloadinga abone kuyikoresha muri presentation. Ubwo ni muri domain ya internet. So icyo ngiye kuvuga hano nuko networking depends on which domain you are. It varies based on the domain or the industry or the career. So nagaragaje ko hariho networking at individual level. You can network as individuals, you can network as organizations, you can network as companies, countries and regions. Iyo mujye mwumva ko igihugu runaka gifitanye umubano n'ikindi gihugu, abari impamvu ituma icyo gihugu kigirana relationship. Shatu Rwanda na Uganda cyangwa se Uganda na Kenya, Tanzania and so on. So when networking, it may depend as an individual, as a company, as an individual, depends on what level of age as well. So now the definition here is to interact with others, to exchange information and to develop professional or social contacts. Any definition, one definition again, zicho bita networking. So while you interaction, so we need to interact. Before you do the networking, you need to interact. Then with others to exchange information. So why do we network? There is aspect of exchanging information. Information is an asset. When we are twicaranye nkaguha amakuru mba nguhaye ubutunzi. True or false? True. Good. Uvuga ngo we need to exchange information, have certain level of information and a certain types of information that I need to share with you. Similarly, now we have sharing. Okay? So then, and develop professional or social contacts. So you have to use a professional, ushobora gukora networking because of professional career or professional development. Cyangwa se ugakora networking for social development, just for social aspects. So it depends which network you're looking for. Now, group we are doing a network that is multi-purpose, a network that is going to help us to preach at secondary school or other schools, but also a network that is going to help us to develop professionally. So you are networking at least to have this professional development that is much linked to the future of the current profession you have. Now, networking for social development. Social development, either you want to, at least in the social, I can call you to come and sit with me, then I express what I have as a problem, then you help me to sort it out. You can have this social development. So it depends on which orientation you want to take it. Still, there will be a time to share what you have to your colleague or and the other way around. That's what I mentioned. The importance of networking depends on the sphere of influence. Yet, with the sphere of influence, where we change. So there is a zone of your influence. Everyone has got a certain level of influence. True or false? Because you have your level of influence, you have your zone of influence, you do, I also do. So the one we will do is a sphere of influence. So your networking will much be linked. Chambers is the economy correlated. Uwa harimo correlation muri statistique mwese ntabwo mwari kugera no mutarayize. No kuvuga ngo iyo tuvuze correlation uwa harimo deux variables imwe ifitanye isano n'iyindi variable byanze bikunze. So nukuvuga networking nayo ifitanye isano na your sphere of influence cyangwa se your level of influence byanze bikunze. Now let's go these benefits of networking. There are many. So I've tried to select a few of them, but there are many. So the first one, the networking becomes a channel for your input and output. Input, whatever angle you take it, but the angle I'm trying to take now is that if I'm discussing with you or if I want to network with you, there is what comes out of me, it goes in you as input, as output rather. Then there is what comes from you that comes in me to build what I'm doing as an input to my professional development, to my career, to my work, and so on. So networking becomes a channel for you to do what? To give output, which becomes input to your neighbor. Then you also give input to what I'm doing. Now, tuje muri production context, I'm an economist. Iyo muri fonction ya production, harimo ibyo bita les facteurs de production. Reka dufate urugero rusanzwe rw'umuhinzi iyo agiye guhinga wenda ibigori. Kugira ngo ahinge rero hari ikintu cy'ibanze banza gukora. Banza ugahinga ukarima, ariko iyo ugiye gutera utera imbuto. Yumvikana barangiza ugashyiramo n'ifumbire n'ibindi. Bamwe muri abanyamujyi ntimubizi. So biriya wakoze byose kugira ngo cya kigori kizamere, that's input. Ya maboko wakoresheje uhinga ukubagarira, it's input. But you are doing all this kugira ngo haboneke at least ikigori kimwe kigomba kugira gute kumera kikera ukanagisarura. What you are looking is the harvest of that maize. But for you to harvest, you need to invest. And what you are investing, these are inputs. Now, if umuhinzi arimo guhinga hari inputs atabona bisaba ko azikura kuri bagenzi be cyangwa se ahandi hantu. Now kugira ngo ukenere input, that's why I'm trying to come to that. I'm going to discourage you somehow, but I will encourage you again. No, we should not just networking for networking. There should be a very strategic point in mind. Why do you want to network with someone? Because you have a certain gap that you need to fill. That's why you want to network with him or her, for him to be what? To be able to meet your demand of that particular gap. Can you see the money? Now, when networking, usali uyikora just for networking. Hari impamvu ibigutera, hari ikintu ubura cyangwa se hariho faiblesse wibonamo wenyine ituma ushakisha umuntu cyangwa se ikintu cya company cyangwa se organization yazi kagira gute igafilinga ya gap ufite. Before you have not identified your gap, don't go for networking, because it will be just for networking. In other words, I should network because I really need to network. Niba wajano just for the purpose you watakugaya, you are using your time not in a good way. Ariko niba wajano because there is a very strong reason for you to be here, then you're in the right place. It's quite amazing. You have even invested your time to come. But there should be a very strong reason for you to be here. The second aspect, it helps you also to get new ideas and specific knowledge needed for your development or your career. Gain new ideas. But around with specific knowledge. Why am I saying specific? In Hamburg specific, you don't need all knowledge. You just need a very specific knowledge. It's called Goma Kumera. Let's say, agriculture, someone in the agriculture sector. Yes. Are we in social science? Is it in the science? Where is the comment? I'm saying maybe the different terminology. Abize engineering barahari, abize ICT barahari, abize let's say economics barahari, abize health barahari. So, but what I'm trying to say, all this I'm saying is about knowledge. See you, but you cannot have all that knowledge in your show. It's not easy. Be a show, but it will cost you more time. See you? But what you really need from your personal development, professional development, you just need your specific knowledge. If you have specific knowledge, you need to be very competitive. Even on the demand. But because you have the same knowledge as others, which is general, that's why no one is looking for you. You don't become. So twize amashuri twese primary, secondary and university. Ariko hari ikintu kigomba kuntandukanya nawe cyangwa wowe nubwo twize bimwe. There should be at least a very specific knowledge, even though we are in the same domain, that will help you to distinguish or to be competitive at the market, whatever market I'm talking about. Either so that's why I'm saying, we want to embrace everything. But what if you take that in the ways to say, how can I make better use of what I've already gained? Young say, try to explore further what is in what I really master. If you want to decide about the network, who you need to network with, it should be really strongly motivated by the knowledge gap you have and what you are really looking for in order to fill the gap you have. Don't do just networking. Go for a certain specific knowledge. You can meeting so and so. You meet because you have a very specific question to ask. Don't take it as a kumuwazaruko mugui. Uzamutumira waramaze gushira kuri list dushaka kuzamubaza. Niba nabo muzamari muherereza mubwira ati mubazo tuzaganira hano 1 2 3 4 5. As we meet, Shelando, make sure that we touch this point. We can touch other aspects, but make sure we leave the place, these aspects are also addressed. No, we can. So now the other aspect is that it builds your confidence and adds value to who you are or what you are doing. Why building confidence? Muri nature yacu, every human nature, have a certain level of confidence. Every time I'm saying comfort zone, not very confident. So you have what you have, you know what you know, but you are not confident. Okay? What are those statements in abantu bakoresha? Ndamutse gutumiye for an interview. Then I ask you, if I ask you this question, are you going to be able to respond it? Now, if you tell me I will try to respond, and someone tells me I'm going to respond, these are two different responses. So who has confidence? The second one. Like musical confidence creating. And confidence, I can even link it with the faith. It's quite necessary. Kwizera no kumenya neza udashidikanya. Udashidikanya. Kizugiza gute? Bitazagira gute? So there is 100% confirmation of confidence. You know, when I was a PhD student, I began an assignment, and I took the wrong way. So imibario utaya kandugato byabirangiye. So fatinzira idahuye niyo mwarimu yatekerezaga ko ngomba gufata. But the way I defended it, impesha amanota 9 ku 10, abanyuze muri yanzira baratsinda n'ubundi. Arambwira ati, you confused me because nageze ahantu mvuga ko ari jewe wibeshe kandi ari wewe wibeshe. That's why I gave you 9 out of 10. That was use them to fill the gap in terms of your level of confidence. And you have to be very confident and strongly confident. So we have to be strongly confident. There should be a difference in terms of confidence between a Christian and non-believer. So the Bible says, if God is on our side, who can be against us? So that confidence is really ensured, and it is a cornerstone in even our believing. Because God you cannot see physically, you cannot touch. Unless you try to convince me using what? I don't know. Because of faith, that's why we see and we strongly believe that God is there and is available. That's how it is. Okay? The only principle in community. Now, it helps you also it allows you to help others and be more visible to stand against competition. The networking you get helps you to help others. Don't be egocentric. Can't be selfish. You have to share. Okay? When Jesus was going to go back, there you are. If you go now, networking, you need also to give. But my secret, I don't have to share this. So what types of secrets? Nearly formula, your product in a company, when you sharing. You should not share that. Ethics of the business. So the ethics of your business, you should not share the formula of the product generating your product they are involved in. Don't share that. I want to close the killing. Ariko ni umuntu akubwira ati hari umenye nakubonyemo ndifuza ko waza tukajya tukawusangira that's fine. The idea yo gukora English club. English club kubera iki? Because we are coming from French system, kugira ngo tuzamenye icyongereza bizatugora. So ibyiza nuko twagira gute twajya muri za clubs tukajya duhura kuwa kane. Kuwa kane uragenda usoma ibyo usoma byose za dictionary n'ibindi bitabo ariko tuzanira at least 2 words zo mu cyongereza. Hanyuma uzishire no muri phrase cyangwa se muri statement runaka. So we meet makaza ati njye nasomye ibi akabivuga nasomye ibi bivuze ko. That's how we did. So noneho tugeze i Butare bahindura icyo bita Be yourself. So Zakayo, yumvise inkuru ko Yesu agiye kuza. The guy was very short. So no, the only way to see him is to climb. Ntajya ku giti. Ariko no umutima uramwata ariko ubona ngewe like the current inspector, RRA, high official person. Ubona ndimo ku giti. What is he going to think? Aravuga ati umuntu yasaze. Arabyirengagiza, he climbed because he knew what he is looking for. You don't feel comfortable. He didn't care about that. So, yes, abonye imbaraga yakoresheje. Aravuga ati, no, because of that, I'm going to be your visitor tonight. Abantu baravuga ariko se niba utagiye kuri wa muntu tuzi ko yambura ubundi yamaze anyereza amafaranga umutungo wa leta natwe n'uwacu yarawumaze. So how can he go there? But they didn't know what Jesus was looking in Zacchaeus. So that's the teaching normally I call get out of your crowd. So ntabwo ugomba kuba mu kivunge gusa. You do the networking for the purpose of helping you to get out of the crowd. So iyo muri system wenda harimo internet iri hano baduhaye wifi imwe twese tugacomeka ama computer in this room uzasanga speed ari ntoya cyane. But if I get out and I get another Wi-Fi, my speed will go further and I will get the document more than I'm getting when I'm here. Kandi bivuze yuko natandukanye namwe ntacyo dupfuye nta nubwo twanganye ariko nigiyeyo gato gusa for me to sense what I'm looking for. You will come and join me, then I will take you also in the same direction. You have a shop list of the list in Ugomba Gukora. How many people know what they are going to do next week? Let's be honest. Is there someone who knows what he's going to do the all next week? All of next week. How will you plan next week? Yours. How many people know? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine. How many people have set something to achieve at least at the end of this year in December? At least. Who has set something to achieve at the end of December? Umuntu watekereje ikintu mwakuranye akavuga ati by the end of this year, this is what I need to achieve. But that's fine. How many people have already evaluated? Now we are in June. That's the half of the year. And see if really what they have set to achieve in December is going to be achievable. How about it? 1, 2, 3. No, not just see it when you are here. Have you took time to reflect on it and say, now, what I plan to achieve is going to be achievable? How to I'm trying just to give you this simple example to show how we take little time to think about our industry in us. Before you do the networking, you need to do what we call introspection. Who am I? What strength do I have? What weaknesses do I have? Why do I need them to network? Facebook, Twitter, Nizindi. Okay? Let's be realistic. How much time do you spend on those social media? What do you guys do 24 hours? We are only 2 hours. These are social media. It's a social play, which is fine. Muria, have you taken time to reflect before you download the WhatsApp on your phone? Have you taken time to think why and how you are going to use it? No, you just download it. The majority. WhatsApp is so easy to communicate. I spent last year without opening my WhatsApp. The whole last year. Why? I wanted to test who is going to say that he missed me on the WhatsApp. Kubera ko urabona haza WhatsApp yakira n'ibitari ibyawe bitakugenewe. Mbese bitari bigenewe kuza muri box yawe. Because you are in a group, everyone pew kandi akunda kwezi pew arakurangaje nk'isaha yose. Ntabwo wayi ikintu kubaka. Agwa ikintu either kigusenya direct nagusubiza nini. So I said, let me try and do certain discipline. Ndebe niba nshobora gufunga WhatsApp 1 year. Ndebe na consequences zibifite. Narayifunze. My wife, I'm with my wife. Abandi hafi ntabandi kumwe nawe. My kids, I can access them easily. My friend, well, unushaka wamuza, at least he has my email address, he has my phone number, he can send an SMS, he can send whatever. So, no, I will do what I can. What's happening in the influence. Just close it. I have my phone and my SMS works. So, no question. No one really claimed, no one said you are not doing well. No. Purposely for the business. The one when you correction in a Google number hands, about more against one the corona, I shall send something, or if I really need to send something. So we need to think about whatever resources is available, how do we use it? Uhara abantu barambiwe kuva muri iki cyumba baje gusoma za message za poppings in. I never zisomye. Be patient, okay? Whatever we have as a resource, let's see how to use it efficiently. So I can get my 24 hours because I use efficiently my time on a very specific task. And that task that is contributing my target of end December. Effectiveness is efficiency. True or false? So effectiveness, you are looking for in terms of goals and objectives to achieve, or targets. Efficiency, now we are looking how efficiently, how can I do this with minimum resources, or by minimizing all different transaction costs. So now, for you to have an effective networking, this involves better knowledge of your purpose, or the way, or the why of you. Remember the why of you, the purpose of your life. If you have read the book of Rick Warren, it's okay popular. But you read, but how do you interpret it and how do you translate it in your life? How do you bring it in your day-to-day life? So now, you need to first to have, why are you in this world? Muzukuri, what I know, and the Bible says this, there is a certain number of age I should not go beyond. I know, my principle is that let me work as someone who is not going to die. But let me live as someone who is going to die. Let me work, so whatever I can do as investment, let me do without thinking that one day I'm going to die. You should not do that. Now, living as someone who's going to die, one day you are going to be judged, not about what you have achieved, but of how you have used your time. Your time in the world does not matter, but what matters is what you did during your life. Doesn't add any value, but so until you understand well your purpose or your reason of being, then you need to know how you can use your networking effectively. ikibazo nabaje cyacumvikana nyine igisubizo yes
I'm here to make it a better place.
To make this world a better place. A better place for what?
For myself and others.
A better place, okay? Someone else? So, Lubango, if you remember is to make this world a better place. That's why you are here. Because can I repeat it again? Or you don't have to give me the answer? Maybe you don't know it. You are not sure. So you need to go back and think. Until you understand why you are here in this world, then you be more effective in whatever you are doing. So, okay, can I make a question? If I look at you, I'm saying we're going to range between 25 and 30. It's going to be now I always have to do but what I'm trying to say, why you are here in this world. So, the Vision 2050, which is being drafted. Okay? The visionary of this country, they are trying to look beyond what we see now and see what will be Rwanda in the next generation, becoming 2050. So, if a country can think about that, why not you? So, what if the country can think on your behalf? You can take care of this. So, where do you take care of this? Now, I'm going to take care of this. So, icyo ndimo kuvuga ni nushaka gufata imyaka bibiri yitwemera imyaka ingahe 80 yaba myinshi kaba ingahe 80 ni ingahe cyangwa ijana na makumyabiri so nimushake mufate 80 siyo iri muri Bible imyaka 80 right is the guarantee you have it. Start from there. So now over at now I've already consumed 30 or 35 years. I will say 40 years. Now, pension over imyaka 65 babandi bakorera leta. Ariko nibuze yuko aricyo gihe uzarangiza umurimo wawe until you die. That's when your work is finished. So if I said 8 years, kavuga ati imyaka 80 ndayikoresha. So kavuga ati nzayikoresha iyi ndayishira mu mashuri, iyi ndayishira muri investment, iyi ndayigira yanjye gusa n'umuryango wanje, iyi ndayigira noneho on the service of others and so on. Depends on how you plan. But until you plan your number of years that is allowed, then you don't know exactly what you are going to achieve at the end. If you want to evaluate you to come at, okay, so and so was there, his purpose was to make this world a better place. How should I your thinking? Have you took time? Yeah, I took time and I say 8 years. Now I'm in phase 3. Okay, with an assumption I'll be living until 8 years. Yet with assumption of one hypothesis, hypothesis, alternative hypothesis. So until the alternative assumption comes, I don't care. Because a lot of people set the alternative before the naive hypothesis. So we have assumptions, twarangiza tukihana n'izindi zituma noneho progressing amuzo dushaka gukora. Now, investment in time, resources, and character or attitude For you to have an effective networking, you need to invest in terms of time. You are here. Your time is consumed. Oh my God. How often do you spend? How long do you spend here? Like 2 hours? Silvio? For how long? Every month? Once a week, a month? Yes? Once a month. Then we have Aya. How many times do we have? 12 times 2, that's 24 hours. Okay? 24 hours in a just for this gathering. So you invest your time, your resources, you pay this place, you pay for you to come, you pay whatever. For to meet me or someone, if you invite me, you will plan where we need to meet. Where can we meet? Let's meet maybe here. So am I the one to go to pay the bill, or you are the one? If you invited me, why do we start to share? So if you send me an invitation, I invite you, but the expenses, we are going to share the expenses. I will come knowing that I have to contribute. I can even invite you saying that let's meet at your own expenses. Yes. Let's meet with my expenses because I know I need to contribute to that. Just no, if you invite me, I see who is the initiator of that gathering. So it's your initiative, so you need to plan about the expenses. But if you say you want to see me, and I see maybe I'm not able to pay, I will carry my Visa card, then I will pay. But it is not the way it is supposed to be done. The initiator, you have your project of becoming someone, and within that project you need to invite Pastor so-and-so and meet someone. You need to plan for that. That's a rational thinking from the economist's perspective. Okay? But if you invite me, you want to share, then I will share. Okay, now, you need also to invest in terms of character and attitude. Character. Here, in the pillar economy, character and attitude. Where your attitude determines who you are, and your character tells me who you are. So you need to invest in shaping your character towards meeting your targeted achievements and while you are networking. You need to shape a character accordingly. So I would even think, should I go home? There's no service at church. What should I do? So then you start calling people. Ushaka gufata ba abandi nabo badafite icyo bazi bagomba gukora. Ukagira amahirwe umwe ukamugrabinga. Bamara kumugrabinga mukayicara. You talk sambiri mugata. Doesn't make sense. Okay? So there is a time numvaga at least ngomba kuhura n'abantu. Oh, so and so mazigena mu bamuhamagara tukahura. I call. Naza kusanga basanga amasaha atatu, I spend like 50,000, it's fine. Is this what I'm doing right? When I call someone, when I came, am I doing the right thing? No, it's not good. Misleading. But if I say, let's plan next week, if your schedule allows you to meet in the evening, so you allow me to plan so that my business is not affected. So if you call me now, are you able to meet with me? Some people call me and I want to see you. Okay, for what purpose? No, unless we meet. Okay, you don't know what purpose we are supposed to meet until we meet? So that was now we move it. Is it social? Is it spiritual? Is it professional? At least which angle I need to meet you. Maybe how I should come and help and meet you. So if you just go. So that's how we are. Most of us, we keep our talents because we assume someone is going to claim. Who told you that? May God bless you.
cyane topic nziza n'uburyo iduhamo. Ikibazo cya mbere gifite first of all dufite ikibazo kuba tukinadabutinga kuri purpose of our life. Sinzi aho tuzahera tunakora network. So ntekereza ko wenda nzabisaba wenda aho tugomba kubisaba to know the purpose is the key. Nkurikije uko mbyumva, ariko icyo njye nashaka kubaza special ku byo mwigishije, twese dukora mistakes cyangwa se kwibeshya. Nashaka kumenya saribe ko ufite network ugikeneye no kuyubaka, ako wenda ukibeshya ukayisenya cyangwa ukayisenyera cyangwa someone akabishuka ugashiduka wakoze mistake yasenyutse for example. So mwaba mufite inama mwagira cyangwa se uburyo bwo kuyubaka bundi bushya cyangwa solution icyo reconstruction, so restoration. Yeah.
Anyone else? Yes.
Murakoze, yitwa Bonke. Yes. Ikibazo cyanjye mfite ni ku cyo mwatubwiye cyo creating a network yuko umuntu agomba gushyiramo imbaraga. Naje kwibaza ku kibazo cy'ukuntu ushobora gushyiramo imbaraga igihe nshaka kujoininga group cyangwa umuntu then bakarejectinga. Yes. None igihe wenda bari kundejectinga kubera ko mfite ubuswa cyangwa ubujiji kandi nashakaga juste kwiga kugira ngo bajoininge mbugire byinshi. Ni ikibazo kitugora abantu benshi uburyo ba creating a network cyangwa se bakora network nini igihe bakiri hasi, usanga just bahura n'abandi bo hasi ariko ibitekerezo bikuru bajya kubyaka ahandi bakaba rejected. Ni gute nshobora kugenda uburyo nkawe rejected ajoininga nka group y'abantu b'abaminisitiri? Murakoze.
Is there bright? Is there specific knowledge for effective networking? When the networking is not the end, but it is the means. You know, networking is not the end. Your purpose or your goal for networking is not just to see the network operating. You need first to have why you need to network. There is a reason behind why you decide to network. The network helps you to achieve different goals towards your target. So the specific knowledge for effective networking, yes, you can do standard formula networking. There's no standard formula or format. It goes with someone's manner or his character or his way. The more you invest in that, the more you are able to get what you are looking for. So now we have effective networking. Some tips. So there is no specific, there are different types that helps you to be effective. Why am I networking? You should be able to respond to that question first. And how should I do this? With who? And until when? It's quite amazing. ishobora kuba muri network after 5 years njye nageze ku cyo nashakaga, then I moved out. Ntabwo bivuze ko ngaho ibyo murimo, ariko njyewe icyo nashakaga kugeraho, I've already reached what I wanted. So there are tips, there are different tips. There is no standard knowledge that is needed for you to be effective, but you can fight for that. So, is there any example of networking that have helped you to do something or to achieve any goal? Yes, I have many examples. I can compare which has which has helped me to reach my goal. So my dream in 1997 was to be a professor wa kaminuza, ariko cyari kigenderewe cyane kwabwira mu mvaneho myth y'abantu bavugaga yuko abantu bakijijwe, donc abantu babo muri science batemera iby'Imana, cyangwa se abantu bari muri science badaha iby'Imana agaciro. So my pledge was in my prayer to ask God to be a professor of the university. Kigisha science, I teach econometrics. Narangiza kigisha the same audience, ijambo ry'Imana. That was my pledge, 1997. So kugira ngo bigerweho rero, it's a long journey, but I will give you an example. Nkirangiza akazi ntararangiza ishuri nahise mbona akazi muri World Vision. For World Vision uva ni community development, ntabwo ari muri academia. Ariko ndavuga ni kamengiyemo gato until I get the opportunity to go back to the university. Ariko kugira ngo mbigere zasabaga kuko ari byo basabaga criteria kubona amanota mbere kuri 70 ukazamura. So ndavuga let me work hard, at least criteria za manota zivanemo. Hasigari nono opportunity kwiboneka apply. So njya muri World Vision. So ngeze muri World Vision, I worked for 2 years. Umugabo twakoranaga dukorana neza cyane, he's a Kenyan, twakilen bamuha invitation kujya Zimbabwe. Arambwira ati ntabwo ndi bugusige, I will go with you. I cannot go to Zimbabwe. Say why? No, if I go to Zimbabwe, ndabagiye muri security y'akazi gusa. I will not think about doing my masters. Izamesha no kuba umwarimu muri kaminuza. And at that time, immediately has an offer ya kaminuza. Iyo offer buri gihe nahuraga na former rector, akambaza ati ko dushaka kugwa akazi aha, are you willing? Agataya niba atari muri academia, I'm not willing. Kumva vice chancellor akavuga ngo ati umwanya twabonye bagupropose mu kaminuza. I said no, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, wait. So one day we met muri pharmacy. Now we got a scholarship, 10 scholarships. Z'abantu bagomba kujya kwiga South Africa, 5 economists, 5 managers. So go and apply now uzakora ikizamini kimwe n'abandi. I said that's fine. So no, I went and did the exam, which I passed. No, at the same period, Kenya, my former boss, Ramgir at Sasson, this is your salary, you are going to get $3,000 per month. You will tatuza madara kwezi, and makamino zichege yego bakumbe milionjana milionginani na bitanu z'amanyarwanda. So what choice? It's obvious, but I said, I told him, Killen, I really appreciate. I can still do this work after my master's. And for me to do a master's, I need to go through the academia and the teaching. I come in mind, you know, if it's okay, it's okay, if this is what you want, that's fine. I went back to the university. So since 2002, but now I'm working with the same person as a consultant. Given the consultant work. Look at the World Vision in Sudan. I was in Sudan last May, just to help them to consult. And per day, they need to pay me $500. So the difference, the 3,000 I can still get it, and yet I've achieved what my passion was. And it's not just to be a professor, but I'm also contributing to my country in terms of education and so on. My first graduates now are doing PhDs. I have my graduates who are doing PhDs. People I've mentored, but Mokulan is a PhD. I think one have already completed. That's the proudness I see, and that's what I see. Here we are now coming that you have really helped me. That's why I'm the one I'm here now today, so I feel that satisfaction. So that because of that networking, kind of byavuye uko nabaga niba muri kaminuza niba muzi ikintu cyitwa Prodo, association d'organisation ya droit de l'homme kurari ya ku 1997. It's very different from how I'm thinking currently. Now I'm able to judge and make different decisions and more orientation. So you can shape it until it becomes the real one, the way it is intended to be. Okay? So when the tukiuza na kiriya, if you do a mistake, when the network yawe ikagira gute ikasenyuka, how can you restore that? D'abord ugomba kwanza kumenya kubera iki yasenyutse. What is your role and what is your responsibility? Job, yari afite network. Job muramuzi muri bibiri. This is Job. So Job yari afite network nini cyane, including his wife. Ariko murabizi ko aho yageze umugore aramubwira ati, why can't you deny your God kugira ngo ureke kuba abantu kurimo kubabara? So the network yari afite kenshi yari gusanga network yubakiye kuri interest z'abantu. So when they don't see the interest in you, so they depart. Nanjye ntabona interest in you, why should I stay with you? So and why should I restore the network? Niyo mpamvu navuze ko network is not a name. Ntabwo ari cyo kigenderewe. Ikigenderewe ni icyo uyikoresha. So niba icyo kintu wari ugendera utakigezaho kubera abantu bagerageje gukoresha cyangwa se kubana nabo, then you can change and get some new people. Since the man yes. Yes, niba ari wakoze amakosa ukayisenya ukabona hakirigaruriro ugasaba imbabazi, urasaba imbabazi hanyuma you need to restore that. Niwe ugomba no kugira n'imbaraga zo gusubira kandi kugira ngo usaifa kureba which nature of network are we talking about, what types of networks are we talking about. So nubu hari dusanga hariho networks nk'ubu muzarebe abana bari muri primary. Iyo umwana wanjye atasha arambwira ngo I have a friend, oh okay, what's the name? Akambwira and I can, you know, this is my friend, okay, what's the name? This, okay, where do they live? Uraje kubasura yeye, oh. So undi nawe agera muri secondary akambwira ati I have a new friend, okay. Is this your friend? Why is your friend? Yeah, we play together basket and so on. Okay, is your friend? Yeah, that's good. Yajya muri university, gets a new friend, and so on. Up to now, I have a new friend. So urebye abantu ngewe nabirinze nabo kuva muri primary ntabwo ariko tukiri kumwe. Siko bimeze se? Ntabwo ariko tukiri kumwe. Ariko iyo mbonye occasion yo kubana nabo I do. Recently I was with my colleagues twabanye muri secondary, we share. Hari uburyo ushobora kwevaluwa kugira ngo umenye niba network irimo neza cyangwa ihagaze neza. It's all about you. Numva nayibabwiye. Babwire n'uwumva ikintu kitakurimo, don't force. Sikameze se. Niba uri na hano kubera ko bakwandikiye ugakora commitment, ubu twagombye kurangiza wasezeye. Don't be in things just for being. Because it costs time. It costs also time and resources and also character. You know, we can. So you can do self-evaluation. You can say, am I still learning? I'm still getting anything from them. You know, guys, I love you, I like you, but I don't think I will stay with you because of this reason 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you want to quit? Yes. But this does not mean combine. No. Because of my personal reasons, that's why I'm quitting. And if need be, I'll come back. Jamuri network, y'abantu bari hejuru kandi bakiri hasi we. I like the point. Maybe some of you knows me.
Yes.
If I tell people who I sit with, now I'm not sure I can hear. Am I right? Please. My friends, I won't yicara nabo kenshi. Now I'm not sure I can hear. Kubera ko nibo bampa byinshi kurusha abandi tungana. Siko bimeze. Then I go back kuri babandi nanjye tungana. Nkaba ibyo nakuye kuri babandi bakuru. So you should aim that. So hariho certain class cyangwa se category y'abantu utagetinga kubera impamvu runaka. So niba nabashaka kuba umwarimu, my mentor should be also a professor. Siko bimeze. Muri 2009 I was doing my research, my PhD. Not only as a literature, kwa kuna mnasoma mu byanditswe mu gukora ubushakashatsi. Mbona umugabo witwa Dan Clay. Dan Clay yabaye hano mu Rwanda kuva muri 1973. So he is a professor from Michigan State University. Noneho ndamwandikira ndamubwira nti ndashaka kugusura US. Shaka kuza gukorera iwanyu. I will be writing on my report and a paper will be published. And I want to be guided by you. Aranyandikira ngo ati, okay, do you have means to come? I say, yes. I had budgeted for this in my PhD budget. So 2009 I went to Michigan State in the US. Bampa space twicarana ndakorerayo mvayo maze publishing your paper. So why did I go there? Kuko he is a guru, muzi icyo bita guru. He is a guru in the domain of agriculture and rural development. Ko nabonaga nicaranye nawe I will learn a lot. So noneho nyuma muri 2000 as one of the committee member bakora as an external examiner wa PhD thesis yangu. My Tikende and my US as a Michigan as a Netherlands. He was in the panel. So later, he said, Alfred, can we do a research project together? Yes, we did it. We can do it. We just ended this last month. So recently, we have about 2 or 3 publications already together. So is it paper za sotu mu journals ikomeye cyane since it's one of the paper I've worked with here to know the sustainability of the coffee sector in Rwanda. So it's the paper that is published in a very reputable journal. The first comes number 1, his name, number 2 is my name. So umuntu wese uzareba ko I have published with Dan Clay muri domaine ya academia kubera ko babazi kugira ngo bamenye uri bashaka kumenya aho wigiye nabo mwiganye nabo mwakoranye who was your promoter. So they will see, okay, you have worked with Dan Clay. He's one of my referees. When you look at my CV, he's one of the reference person. Now we back automatically. It's a process you cultivate. Kihanga nakaza kamusura. Kama wamenye ko yaje kamamagara uri hendi kumubana. Can I pay visit? Yes, kaza. Ndabona mu kumujyana mu rugo. Bagateka kawunga mugasanga. Kamugarura kamusubiza kuri hotel umubana. But come as agenda, is your flight? When is your flight? At 6. Is someone going to drop you? Yes, the hotel is going to do that. Thank you, it's fine. So yaja utaha, say bye to them. That's what you need to cultivate. So yaja and I was sure I was my girlfriend, I'm in Marriott, come and see me. Can we have a coffee together? Can we have lunch together? So if you need someone casual, you need now to invest now. Did I respond to your question?
Murakoze ndumva twasoza. Gusa icyo nakongeraho ntabwo twigeze tugira umwanya uhagije wo kuganira n'umusipika nk'uko abandi tujya tuganira, ariko reka kugira ngaha kuko ni icyifuzo cya timu yose. Ntabwo twifuza gusa utuganiriza ahubwo twifuza umuparteneri. Timu ni iyi ngiyi, ni abantu bakeneye gukura no kubakwa, hari byinshi mufite mwatuganiriza, twifuza ko mutuba hafi, yaba mwebwe ubwanyu mubitekereje mukatugira inama cyangwa natwe twabagisha inama mukazitugira. Icya kabiri ni uko ari strong ku mafaranga kuruta uko ari strong kuri ibi bindi. Inyigisho zijyanye n'amafaranga reka mbabwize ukuri, si ubwa mbere si ubwa kabiri, ariko inyigisho zijyanye n'amafaranga ari strong cyane, kandi ikidushimisha ni uko we anabyigisha ariko anayafite. Buriya hari abantu benshi bigisha amafaranga kandi ntayo bafite. Abarimu babigisha entrepreneurship ntayo bafite. Rero tunezezwa nuko ubu dufite we aranayafite. Nibwira ko wenda Robert yagize umwanya wo kubibaganirizaho, ariko reka mfate n'umwanya wo kubibwira abari aha bose nuko dukavaringa area enye: leadership, relationship, career development n'amafaranga. N'amafaranga tukayavuga mu mazina. Hari umuntu wanditse article ngo niba inshuti zawe zitavuga amafaranga nushaka uzazihorera. Izo nizo area enye dukavaringa kandi twifuza ko muzatugirira umumaro. Hanyuma icyanyuma nshaka kuvuga nuko buri wese hano akeneye kugira umumaro atanga kuri iyi event. Buri muntu akeneye kugira umumaro atanga kuri iyi event. Nimvuga umumaro ntimwumva amafaranga, reka ntange urugero rumwe. Uyu event ni designinga ziriya post zose dukoresha tumenyekanisha ko event hari, ndumva twabimushimiye. Ubushize naberetse uwagize umumaro mu kudushakira umuspeaker we watwigishije ubushize, and then uwo muspeaker badushakiye niwe wadutumiriye uyu nguyu. Icyanyuma tugukeneyeho ni amafaranga. Ibindi byose nubona byanze uzaza n'amafaranga. Hari mushiki wacu yaduhuje n'abaspeaker babiri turi kuganira kandi nabo bashobora kuzatuganiriza mu gihe gitaha. Ndumva rero buri wese hiyumvemo gusa kujya aje kwakira, ahubwo ajya agira n'umumaro kugira ngo ibi twakira n'ibindi azana bigirire umumaro abandi benshi. Reka duhaguruke dusoze, then turafata ifoto imwe y'urwibutso ahangaha. Ubundi Imana ibaho umugisha. Reka umwigisha wacu adusengera dusabire umugisha kugira ngo ibi twize binatugirire umumaro byo kugarukira ahangaha. Gusa murakoze.
Imana turagushimiye ko bari natwe, turagushimiye ko waturinze, turagushimiye ko watuyoboye, turagushimiye ko wadushoboje, turagushimiye ko abanye na buri muntu wese hano. Ibyo twavuze hano Mwami Yesu igamije cyane kubaka abantu bari mu bwami bwawe kugira ngo nabo bashobore kubwubaka nk'uko wabidusezeranyije kandi nk'uko wabiduhaye nk'inshingano. Turagushimira rero yuko ugiye kubana natwe mu zo tugiye gutekereza zose n'izo tugiye gukora bindi. Mu gihe twaganiraga ku bijyanye na networking, igikomeye cyane nuko tubanza kugira network nawe be strong, kuko iyo nidufasha no kugera no ku bindi. Reka izina ryawe rihabwe icyubahiro, reka izina ryawe rihimbazwe, ubwami bwawe buri mu mitima yacu. Mu izina ryawe Yesu Kristo umwami wacu tubisabye, amen.
Them and worship Yahweh. Come on everybody, lift your voice, let's worship.